Step 1 is to close the drawer. The next step is to bring the front close to the drawer and mount the front. Open the drawer. Then check to make sure that the front is properly connected. Check the left side and the right side. Next, I place the glass or design element into the groove that's present on both sides. Take a glass panel. Insert the glass panel and push the whole thing inwards again past the spring at the rear. Repeat this on the other side. Insert into the groove at the bottom and then click into position from the outside towards the inside. For the railing, you must make sure that the screws are always on the inside of the drawer. There is an integrated hook at the rear on the back panel. You have to hook the railing onto the hook, so to speak. This is relatively simple to do. Position the railing at the back panel. Then hook the railing onto the hook and push the railing down. Repeat this on the other side. Once the railing is hooked on at the rear on the back panel, push it down onto the front stabilizer firmly by hand. Use the screwdriver to turn the screws on both sides towards the front. This should be about 1.5 turns. The drawer is now assembled again, and the front is mounted. The first step is to loosen the 2 screws here on the railing. On both sides, turn the screwdriver towards the back panel as far as it will go. In other words, turn the screw towards the back panel until it cannot be turned any further. Then, lift the railing a little. And now here's a tip from me. Pull the railing slightly towards you while you lift the railing upwards so that it unhooks easily. Now need to do the same again on the other side. Lift the railing, then pull it towards you so that it unhooks. The next step is to remove the 2 glass inlays by pushing them outwards past the spring, which is located here on the back panel clip. Place your thumbs on the back, push the glass outwards to the side, and remove the glass. Repeat this on the other side. Push the glass outwards to remove it, then put the glass in a safe place.